what summer cannot do does not exist, because I'm among the people that summer did me something. Guys, okay, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And if you're a new subscriber, if you're coming across my channel, thank you. Please hit on the subscription button, put on your notification bell, like and share the video. Place a comment as well. I said earlier, yes, what summer cannot do. We are in summer and the weather is so hot. I prepared vegetable soup last time. It didn't even last up to 24 hours. Guys, oh my goodness. It got spoiled, yeah. So I was thinking of the next soup to prepare, and I remember that we love bitterleaf soup again. But this time around, I didn't give summer a chance. So immediately I finished preparing it. I had to freeze it fast. Guys, just let me know in the comment section if this has happened to you before. Whether no matter the weather that is in your country, I would love to know. Has any of your soup or food got spoiled because of weather? Because I am a living witness. So okay, guys, my hubby is helping out in washing off the bitter leaf, because we had to use fresh bitter leaf. Yeah. Okay, this is us. Both of us are going to prepare it. Okay, him helping in washing and me cooking the soup. Okay, guys, enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to leave a comment.
It's time that I confessed it, what I have neglected. I stole a heart then left it to break right on the floor. Regret has left me totally undone. Well, hope this helps someone. I thought I held the power, but that theory has soured. I soon learned that power can bring you to your knees when it's used against the ones you love. Well, hope this helps someone. Take it from me, if you're trying to survive. Take it from me, truth comes out in the light. The heaviness I'm feeling, that's stealing my joy now, could all have been avoided if I'd been a better soul. Don't do like I've done, cause it ain't fun. Well, hope this helps someone. So take it from me, if you're trying to survive. Take it from me, truth comes out in the light. So choose to be respectful and helpful and honest. Choose to leave your ego and your pride outside the door. Otherwise you'll hate what
from ever, I said that I hear
It's time that I confessed it, what I have neglected. I stole a heart then left it to break right on the floor. Regret has left me totally undone. Well, hope this helps someone. I thought I held the power, but that theory has soured. I soon learned that power can bring you to